until 8:30. Additional thunderstorms, some producing rotation, are showing up on radar in western Kaufman County near Combine, tracking to the southeast. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are relayed to the
Just like the point now.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Hunt, Van Zandt counties and for northeastern Kaufman County until 8:30. Severe thunderstorm is located 7 miles northeast of Terrell, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Hail damage is possible to vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for portions of Hunt, Van Zandt, and northeastern Kaufman County until 8:30. Additional thunderstorms, some producing rotation, are showing up on radar in western Kaufman County near Combine, tracking to the southeast. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.